Today we're at Hotel Olympia launching our new range of tank dishwashers.
We did see some potential in this market, especially with the new models we have here with the small under-counter glass washer, for instance.
I'm really excited about the opportunities the new range of tank dishwashers bring to Miele. We've always had a full range of freshwater dishwashers. The new tank dishwasher brings us into a completely different market with bars, clubs, hotels and restaurants. The opportunity the show brings us is to present the new range of tank dishwashers to a market we're not currently in.
Well, with the new design, we were basically looking for machines with brilliant, excellent cleaning results. But then on top of that, we have very low energy and water consumption, which is really important, plus really durable and reliable machines. The new features are basically very application-specific programs with reduced pump pressure for gentle items such as glasses and increased pump pressure for other items like plates or pots and pans, for instance. But also we got a very easy-to-use touch display, which can be used with just a single program only, but also with like very diverse programs where the customer can actually make adjustments to.
Bringing the tank dishwashers to Hotel Olympia is about awareness that Miele are in the tank dishwasher market.